Host. Welcome by Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two dash cams that are ready to capture every moment on the road. In the left corner, we have the Vantrue N4, and in the right corner, we have the E-YEEGER Dash Cam WiFi. Let's see which one deserves a spot on your windshield. Host. When it comes to capturing all the action, video quality is crucial. The Vantrue N4 boasts a stunning 4K resolution for its front camera and 1080p for the rear camera. That means you'll be able to see every license plate and road sign with crystal clear clarity. Host on the other side, the E-YEEGER Dash Cam WiFi offers a sharp 2.5K resolution for its front camera. While it may not match the Vantrue N4's 4K, it still provides a significant upgrade from standard 1080p. Host, driving at night can be a challenge, but with the Vantrue N4, you'll have peace of mind. Its infrared night vision technology ensures clear footage even in the darkest conditions. Say goodbye to those blurry, unidentifiable blobs. Host. Meanwhile, the E-YEEGER Dash Cam WiFi also steps up its game with super night vision technology. With its f1.8 large aperture, it captures more light, resulting in sharper images during nighttime drives. Host. Now, let's talk about multi-channel recording. The Vantrue N4 is a triple threat with its front, inside, and rear cameras. It's perfect for rideshare drivers or anyone who wants to keep an eye on their surroundings. You won't miss a single detail inside or outside your vehicle. Host on the flip side, the E-YEEGER Dash Cam WiFi focuses solely on the front camera. While it may not offer the same level of coverage as the Vantrue N4, it still does an excellent job of capturing what's happening in front of you. Host. Parking can be a nightmare, but these dash cams have got your back. The Vantrue N4's parking mode features low bitrate recording, ensuring you have enough footage to review. Plus, its motion and collision detection will start recording automatically if something happens while you're away. Host. With the E-YEEGER Dash Cam WiFi, you'll need to grab the hardwire kit separately to activate its parking mode. Once set up, it will keep your vehicle under surveillance 24/7, providing you with peace of mind. Host. Last but not least, let's talk about the price. The Vantrue N4 comes in at $289, while the E-YEEGER Dash Cam WiFi is a budget-friendly option at just $79. So, if you're looking to save some bucks, the E-YEEGER might be the way to go. The Vantrue N4 is praised for its video quality, large memory capacity, super capacitor for extreme weather, and easy rear camera installation. Reviewers highly recommend it for its features and performance. On the other hand, the E-YEEGER Dash Cam WiFi is commended for its high image quality, easy installation, user-friendly mobile app, and affordability. Reviewers consider it to be an excellent value for the price. Host. And there you have it, folks. The Vantrue N4 and the E-YEEGER Dash Cam WiFi battled it out, but in the end, it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best. Remember, both of these dash cams will keep you protected on the road, so you can't go wrong with either choice. Host. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome comparisons. Let us know in the comments which products you'd like to see us compare next. Host. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, where we help you buy with confidence. See you next time.